Hello, everyone. Welcome back for our next press conference. We have here DRX, the winning team. So right now, we now open the floor for questions from the media. Please raise your hand and I will call you when asking your question. Please state your name and outlet you represent. So we are starting with Snet from Sportkida.
Yes, thank you. So first of all, congratulations on the win, guys. My question is for Marco. So since you've very recently gotten on the role of an IGL, I wanted to know how it was for you today to be in that leadership position and sort of rally your team back after the loss on Haven and eventually win the series.
마코 선수에게 드리는 질문인데요. 얼마 전부터 이제 인게임 리더를 맡게 됐는데 인게임 리더로서 오늘 경기 어땠는지 들어보고 싶습니다. 특히나 헤이븐 끝나고 나서 좀 팀원들의 사기를 북돋아 줬어야 됐는데 그런 부분에 있어서 좀 어땠는지 궁금합니다.
일단 경기 전체적으로 봤을 때는 그냥 저희가 실수 없이 하면 그냥 이기겠구나라고 생각을 했어가지고 헤이븐 때 지고 나서는 그냥 뭐 첫 판이기도 하고 상대 잘 쏘는 것도 알고 있었고 잘하는 것도 알고 있어가지고 그냥 또 시원하게 져가지고 그냥 멘탈 관리는 잘 됐던 것 같고 두 번째, 세 번째는 저희가 이제 맞아봤으니까 그냥 우리도 복수하자 약간 이런 식으로 잘 마무리했었던 것 같아요.
Well, overall, I just felt like we can definitely win the series if we played a clean game without mistakes. And after Haven, we were just like, okay, it's only the first map. We knew they had heavy hitters on the team and we knew they were a good team. So I think fortunately, it was a big loss. It didn't take much for us mentally to recover because of how much how much gap there was with the scoreline. So going into the second map and the third map, we said, you know what, let's pop their heads, let's shoot back, and we can win this.
Thank you so much.
Okay, next question is from Mori, son of KS.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for the opportunity to ask a question. Congratulations for the victory today in this match. My question is for anyone who wants to answer. Were there any unexpected challenges or surprises from crew today, or what you will say that was the reason for that huge loss in Haven, and how do you recover mentally after that?
아무나 대답해 주시면 되는데 오늘 크루 상대하면서 좀 예상 못해서 당황했던 부분이 있었는지 그렇다면 좀 그 이유는 무엇이었는지 그리고 헤이븐에서 좀 크게 맵을 내줬는데 그때 좀 멘탈적으로는 어떻게 관리를 했는지 궁금합니다.
어, 사실 상대가 잘할 거라고는 생각을 했었는데 플레이도 했던 대로 했었고 저희가 얘기했던 대로 잘 했어가지고 사실 문제는 없었는데 사실 생각보다 개개인의 피지컬이나 폭발력이 좀 높았던 거에 좀 놀랐었던 것 같고 사실 첫 맵에서 크게 졌을 때는 사실 저희가 뭐 아무것도 그냥 저희가 못해서 진 거였어가지고 오히려 상대가 잘해서 졌다는 그런 느낌보다 그래서 뭔가 멘탈이 뭔가 나가거나 그러진 않았지만 그래도 위기이기 때문에 좀 정신 차려서 잘 해보자 이러면서 좀 서로 잘 토닥여줬던 것 같아요.
그 위기 말하기 전에 상대가 잘해서 멘탈이 안 나갔다고요?
상대가 잘한 것보다
우리가.
우리가 더 못했어가지고 사실 별로 멘탈이 안 나.
알겠습니다. Well, coming into today, I think we knew they were a good team and we knew how they were going to play. And we were able to play our own game from map 2 and map 3. But it was the individual talent and the amount of firepower that crew had that actually took us by surprise because they were shooting better than we expected them to. But in terms of Haven, it was more on us not to take anything away from crew. So for us, it was easier to kind of mentally recover because all we had to do is reset our mentality, make sure that we play a clean game, and we were able to do so.
Thank you.
Okay, next question is from Arnab.
Hey guys, congrats on the win. My question is open to everyone. I want to understand, given that how much preparation has been done before the match against Group, given that you guys picked Abyss and they changed their composition, which is the first time we ever saw them playing. When you guys see those type of composition, how do you guys manage your plans going into the game?
크루 상대로 준비할 시간이 얼마나 있었는지를 먼저 물어보고 있고 또 어비스 같은 경우에는 크루가 처음 보는 조합을 꺼냈는데 여기에 있어서 좀 어떻게 상대하려 했는지 상대하는데 힘들지는 않았는지 물어보네요.
아무나 대답은
네,
되는
아무나
건가요?
대답이에요.
크루는 사실 뭐 대진표는 일찍 나왔지만 저희는 크루를 직접적으로 준비한다기보다 저희 내부적으로 준비할 게 훨씬 더 많았기 때문에 저희 팀 좀 자체적으로 좀 탄탄하게 팀을 만들기 위해서 좀 연습을 많이 했던 것 같고요. 어비스는 사실 크루의 조합이 오늘 바뀐 조합으로 나왔는데 선수들이랑 조합 보자마자 많은 얘기들을 하면서 약점을 잘 찾아냈던 것 같고 그런 플레이들을 선수들이 잘 해줘서 쉽게 이길 수 있었던 것 같습니다.
Well, we did have the group draw earlier, and we had plenty of time to prepare, but the preparation was more focused on making ourselves more solid and sharpening things up. And just we were focused on working on ourselves and our game plans. And in terms of the Abyss, it was definitely an unfamiliar composition, but we talked a lot about their comp and what weaknesses we can exploit before playing the map itself. And because the boys on the team were giving out so many good ideas, I think we were able to adapt to what they were doing very quickly.
Thank you guys and best of luck again.
Thank you, Renab. Next question is from Facundo Dominguez.
Sorry, I was muted. Hi guys, I'm Facundo Dominguez, FD News. My question is, knowing that Bind is one of the permanents of crew, you knew when you lost the first map was like, well, we have to go to the decider and it's almost 50-50% of winning, or what do you thought when you saw Bind open? Is for anyone who wants to answer.
아무나 답해 주시면 되는데 이제 바인드가 디사이더 맵이었잖아요. 그래서 좀 맵 보고 바인드가 디사이더였을 때 그리고 크루가 밴을 안 했을 때 좀 어떤 생각이 들었는지 특히 헤이븐 지고 나서는 '아 바인드는 뭐 반반 가겠다.' 아니면 '확실히 이길 수 있다.' 어떤 마음이었는지 궁금하다고 합니다.
뱀픽 상황에서는 사실 크루가 바인드를 마지막으로 플레이한 게 1년 전으로 알고 있는데 당연히 준비를 해서 왔겠지만 어느 정도 저희를 상대할 때 뱀픽에서도 어느 정도 조금 도박수를 뒀던 거라고 저는 생각을 했고요. 그래서 마지막 이 바인드가 남았을 때 바인드를 고르게 됐고 사실 헤이븐 졌을 때는 오늘 경기 위험할 수도 있겠다라고 생각을 했고요. 어비스를 그래도 잘 마무리하면서 바인드에서는 무조건 이기겠다는 확신이 들어서 크게 걱정은 하지 않았습니다.
Well, during the map Virus process, I was aware that the last time crew played Bind was about a year ago. Of course, everyone comes prepped coming into Champions, so we knew that the preparation was done from their side as well. But I also thought that it was a little bit of a gamble for crew. So when we saw it open, that's why we decided to take Bind as the decider map. But when we dropped Haven, there was a point where we felt like we might drop the whole series, and we're in a very dangerous place. But being able to close out the Abyss, which was the second map, I was 100% confident in our ability to take the series and take the win.
Thank you so much for your answer. Next question is from Lera X.
Hello, guys, and congratulations for the win. My question is about after the map one, after you felt that like crew kind of like overwhelmed you with their firepower. What was your mentality? What did you talk about in the break between the maps? And this is mostly the question to the coach Termi. What did you say to the players to bring them back into the game? Thank you.
먼저 선수분들 중 아무나 대답해 주시면 되는데 헤이븐에서는 특히 크루가 좀 생각보다 총을 더 잘 쏴서 놀랐다고 하셨잖아요. 그래서 이제 두 번째 맵 앞두고 서로 어떤 얘기를 했는지 좀 구체적으로 들어볼 수 있을지에 대한 질문이었고, 그리고 터미 감독님께서는 어떤 얘기를 선수들에게 해 주셨는지 들어보고 싶다고 합니다.
헤이븐이 끝나고 나서는 이제 사실 저는 대충 예상을 했어가지고 이제 끝나고 나서 우리도 맞아봤으니까 이제 상대방한테 우리도 한번 때려야 되지 않겠냐 이런 농담식으로 얘기를 했어가지고 뭐 멘탈적인 케어도 해주면서 이제 좀 농담을 해서 분위기도 끌어올리고 나서 좀 그렇게 했던 것 같고 큰 건 없는 것 같아요.
터미 감독님
가-
어떤 얘기를 해
같이 할까요?
주셨나요? 네.
일단 헤이븐 때는 저희가 예상했던 것보다 그냥 훨씬 더 상대가 잘 준비해서 왔기 때문에 크게 당황하지는 않았고 오히려 그냥 1맵은 최대한 훌훌 털어 버리는 게 2, 3맵을 준비하는 데 있어서 훨씬 더 저희한테 큰 분위기 전환이 될 것 같아서 뭐 저희가 실수했던 부분에 대해서는 얘기를 하지 않았었고요. 그리고 오늘 챔피언스가 첫 무대인 선수가 저희가 3명이나 되기 때문에 당연히 긴장을 했을 거라 생각하고 선수들의 마우스패드의 문제도 사실 있었고요. 그런 좀 복합적인 문제가 있어서 좀 2, 3맵 때 그냥 잘하자라는 식으로 그냥 넘어갔던 것 같습니다.
So Marco's answer was, well, I kind of saw it coming, so I just jokingly said, they rolled over us. Let's just pay them back. Let's shoot back and let's roll over them to make sure that the energy was up and everybody did not lose the confidence. And Termi's answer was, well, I think on Haven, crew really came in well prepped, but it didn't really throw us off. So I thought the GG Go Next type of attitude would be helping us a lot more than talking about the mistakes heading into the second map. So before the second map, I didn't really pinpoint what we were lacking on Haven. And we also have 3 players who just played their first champions match. So of course, I kind of expected the stage jitters, first match jitters to be there. And we also had some issues with the players' mouse pads as well. So it wasn't the optimal environment for all of us, but those were the things I told the players. Hey, let's do better in the second and the third map, and I'm really proud of my team for pushing it across the finish line.
Great answers. Thank you. 너무 감사합니다. And good luck in the next round.
Okay, last question is from Pedro Romero.
Guys, first off, congrats on the victory. Got a question for the 3 debutants, Foxy 9, Flashback, Bane. Termi already said it in his recent answer about this being your debut on this stage. Just want to ask each of you guys what the feeling was like you're playing this kind of match in this kind of tournament. Were you guys actually very nervous, and how did you guys kind of work around that initial nerves to then finish this match with a victory?
예, 챔스가 처음인 신인 3인방에게 모두 여쭤보는 질문인데, 챔스 데뷔전을 치렀는데 어땠는지, 뭐 긴장되거나 떨렸는지, 그리고 그렇다면 좀 그런 떨림을 어떻게 떨치고 빨리 긴장을 해소하려고 했는지 궁금합니다.
일단 이제 저는 당연히 긴장이 됐었고 이제 첫 맵 때 긴장을 해가지고 이게 좀 진짜 챔피언스를 위해서 좀 지금까지 많은 준비를 해왔는데 이렇게 허무하게 1세트를 첫 맵에 지니까 좀 많은 생각을 했었고 그러던 와중에 이제 명관 그 마코랑 철미, 베인 그리고 나머지 코치 형들이 너무 이제 좋은 말들이랑 마인드적으로 어떻게 하면 될지 이야기를 좀 많이 해줬어가지고 그걸 토대로 좀 잘 했던 것 같아요.
So Foxy9's answer was, of course, I was feeling nervous, but we put in so much prep, and losing Haven in such a one-sided way, it just made me really think about what we've been doing, whether it was worth it or not. But before Abyss, it was Mako, Termi, Bane, and my teammates and also the coaching staff trying to keep the energy up, exchanging a lot of nice words to make sure that we have enough energy and confidence to get through the series. So I'm really grateful for them. 베인 선수는 어땠나요?
저는 딱히 긴장했다고 생각은 안 했는데 1맵 끝나고 나서 내려가니까 형들이 저한테 왜 이렇게 얼어있냐 이런 식으로 얘기를 하더라고요. 그래서 그렇게 얘기하면 저는 긴장했더라고요, 무의식에. 그래서 좀 그런가 하면서 그냥 풀어봐야겠다, 좀 즐겨봐야겠다 하면서 임했고, 그랬더니 자연스럽게 풀려서 2, 3맵은 개인적으로 잘 됐던 것 같아요.
I didn't think that I was feeling nervous or I had the stage jitters or first match jitters, but after we got off the stage after the first map, everyone was telling me, "Hey, you just froze on the stage. What's going on?" And turns out I wasn't just aware, and I did have these stage jitters. So I just told myself to enjoy the game a lot more, and that's how I kind of shook away the stage jitters and performed better in map 2 and 3.
저도 되게 많이 떨렸던 것 같은데 약간 형들 생각하면서 내가 형들이 믿어주는 만큼 보답해야겠다 생각해서 좀 더 열심히 하면서 조금씩 풀어갔던 것 같아요.
I was super nervous, of course, but I thought about our teammates, especially the OG leaders of this team, and I really wanted to deliver to their expectations and also to their faith that they've been putting in me. So I decided to step up the game, and everything went well.
Okay, so we have one question here in the room.
Hello, I'm Via from Nerditude. 저희 질문은 마코 선수를 위한 질문인데요. 이번 DRX 러스트로 저 국제 대회에 참여하게 되셨는데 혹시 마음의 준비라든가 아니면 게임 플랜에 관한 혁신이 생기셨나요?
제 역할이 이제 바뀌고 나서 첫 국제대회인데도 그냥 저는 늘 하던 대로 하자고 마음 먹었었고, 오히려 이제 처음으로 하는 세 명에게 이제 퍼시픽 때처럼 그냥 즐기고 하다 보면 알아서 잘 됐구나라고 말했었고, 전체적으로 봤을 때는 그냥 처음에는 흔들릴지언정 이제 나머지에서는 잘할 거라고 믿고 있었기 때문에 뭐 그대로 나온 것 같아요, 결과가.
감사합니다.
Thank you so much. So we don't have more questions. Thank you to DRX for sharing your thoughts and experience. Congratulations once again on your victory. And thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
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 With this, we conclude today's first press conference.